In 1985, when I chose to become a doctor, I had just one thought in my head: to do good to others and try to make the world a better place in my own way. Doing good to others ran in my family. I have witnessed my grandfather, Dr. T.B. Gupta, FRCS Edinburgh, Principal and HOD Darbhanga Medical College, and the then Health Director of Bihar. My father, Dr. V.S. Gupta, Professor, Department of Ophthalmology, Darbhanga Medical College, and my father-in-law, Dr. Bharat Prasad Kashyap, HOD Department of Ophthalmology, Rajendra Medical College and Hospital, now renamed RIMS, conducting eye camps in urban and rural areas, encouraging youths to organize free eye camps in rural areas and providing free eye care to the poor and needy throughout their lifetime. 23 years ago, when I was a mere postgraduate student, I had thus moved beyond my domain to begin my philanthropy journey by joining an NGO-run hospital at Ramgarh, some 40 kilometers away from my hometown of Ranchi. I screened the eyes of some 10,000 plus students studying in government-run school, gifted them free eyeglasses, and removed cataract from the eyes of children who were suffering from cataract completely free. That was my starting point, and I have never looked back since then. The challenges have always been immense. Being a woman, a mother of two children, a wife, and a doctor, all at the same time, has not been easy. Added to this, my passion for charity, doing good to others, have always demanded immense sacrifices. There has always been problems with finances, logistics, and above all, general apathy. Charity carries a hefty price tag in terms of medicines, operation theatre expenses, payment of salaries to supporting staff, cost of travel, phone bills, and a host other similar operating expenses. I have always diverted substantial portions of my personal income to meet all such expenses. There was a call for eye donation at the middle of night from a place called Jonha, deep in the forest, more than 40 kilometers away from Ranchi. As founder director of the Kashyap Memorial Eye Bank, I had to respond to the call, and I did not had a driver at that time. Though I was dead afraid, finding no other options, I informed the Jonah police station, drove down more than 40 kilometers in the dead of the night along with few supporting staff and my husband, and successfully extracted the corneas, which were later transplanted free to two needy people. Very humbly, I would like to confess that I have never lagged behind. Hundreds of children from all over the state who have been forced to drop out of the school due to various eye ailments, refractive error, cataract in one or both eyes, who have been provided with free eye care facilities, including free surgeries, are now back in schools. Thousands of men and women, from slum dwellers, old age home residents, newspaper hawkers, railway station porters, to the primitive tribes residing in the more difficult terrains of Jharkhand, sportsmen and women, truck drivers, to victims of human trafficking who have been provided with free eye care and free surgeries with state-of-art technology, have been able to find gainful occupations for themselves. Women health has never been a priority for families in general and in the country and globally. The free cervical cancer screening and anemia screening camps that I have been spearheading since 2015 as President Indian Medical Association Women Doctors Wing Jharkhand IMA. It has given new lease of life to thousands of women, and it has created an atmosphere where women can take decisions of their own for their personal benefits as well as for the society, freely live their life with sense of self-worth, respect and dignity, besides giving them the strength to get their voices heard. The boundless blessings of the people whom I have served selflessly over the years have always provided me with the much needed strength and vigor to give my best.